Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to access WordPress admin. Let's get started. So if you head over to this wordpress.com, you should be able to see this. Now in here, you can click on this get started if you don't have an account yet, but you can also click on login if you already have an account. So for me, I'll just head over and then log in. And then after that, I will be headed with this email address or username, or you can also log in with the social applications. So let me just post this video first and I will log in. So right now I have logged in. On default, you will be redirected to the WordPress sites that you have created in the past. You can also see in here the domains that you have as well as WordPress reader. So if you want to access the WordPress admin, you can select the website for any you want to access the admin. So I have these websites right here. I want to actually check the admin or access the admin dashboard of this particular site. So what I can do is I can head over and then click on this, which is the name, and you can see in here this dashboard. So click on that, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So this is actually just the link. If you want to access the dashboard, you need to head over and then click on this three dots right here, and then from in here, you can click on this WP admin. So click on this one, and then once you have clicked on it, you will be redirected in here again. So head back again and then click on this login. This is because you just log into the WordPress and not to your website. So head over and click on login right here and then head over and log in. And now since you have actually logged in earlier, this will only redirect to the actual login that you have made earlier. So as you can see here, it is right here and then how we have access it. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.